Value investing is all about buying stocks that are undervalued by the market but have strong fundamentals and the potential to grow over time. By focusing on these stocks, you can position yourself for solid returns while minimizing risk. So let's dive into some of the best value investing stocks to consider today. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are the 5 best value investing stocks. Number 1 is Apple. Apple Inc., APPL in brackets. Although it's a well-known company, Apple often trades at a discount compared to its growth potential, making it a great value stock. Number 2 is Bristol-Myers Squibb, BMY, okay? This pharmaceutical giant is undervalued with a strong pipeline of drugs and a solid dividend yield. Number 3, Johnson & Johnson. As a stable and diversified healthcare company, J&J offers, value with its reliable earnings and consistent dividend growth. Number 4 is Coca-Cola. Despite market fluctuations, Coca-Cola remains a classic value stock, offering strong brand recognition and consistent dividend payouts. Number 5 is Intel Corporation. Intel is currently trading at a lower price to earnings, P to E ratio, compared to its historical averages, making it a solid value pick in the tech sector. So these stocks are trading below their intrinsic value, giving you an opportunity to invest in companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. If you're ready to start building your value investing portfolio, leave me a like. I love you.